Customer service has changed dramatically over the past 30 years. We are moving into a new digital world, and bad experiences immediately spread like wildfire. According to Zendesk, 54% of Americans will share a negative experience with more than 5 people. And those 5 people will go on to share it with more than 5 people, and so on and so forth, until your one bad claims experience impacts hundreds or maybe even thousands of potential insureds. It's just like how an airline company lost nearly $1 billion for dragging a customer off of their plane and having a video of the incident posted on Twitter. You must do whatever you can to prevent a bad claims experience, no matter what, while serving your clients to the best of your ability if you want to retain and grow your business with these high-value clients.